Good morning! So we're now in Pampanga. We're waiting for Denlim to open. So it's 11:30 yung schedule namin. But we arrived here around 11 a.m. So hinihintay lang namin na may maparkingan kami kasi the parking of Denlim is dun sa street lang. And so there's parking inside, but then hindi rin siya for a lot of cars. And the entrance of Denlim. Ayan. They serve the sesame baguette. This is the bangus pate. Ay, hindi nyo narinig. I have to cut it because it's one whole. The bangus. Thank you po. The bangus is hindi siya malasa.
Can't wait for the next meal.
Wow! Bread is so good. On our TikTok star, hindi pa siya nakanguya. So this is the salad. Ayan, so we're located on the other side. This is the main table. And then this one is the side where we are for yan, 7 packs. Hi! The 2 packs. You made it. Yeah.
Iwan ko na to ha.
Ayan. Nahuli kasi sila ng police. Wow! Sobrang party nung salad.
Summer salad.
Oh, wow.
Huwag nyo na lang pong haluin. Kuha-kuha na.
Kuha-kuha na lang. Okay. So, wag daw haluin yung salad.
Kahapon nag-1 million din. Nanginginig ako ng gabi.
Grabe yung salad. As in, ang laki.
Hindi ko makahaluin. So you're just gonna get one.
Ano ba disregarding? Ano nakasulat sa iyo?
Ako ng left.
Legal.
Smile ka daw. Smile. Medyo kasama ka lang daw. Half natural.
How to do that?
Yogurt.
What was your event yesterday?
No thanks.
Hindi ka pala nag-yogurt.
Yeah, parang may granola.
Almond.
Almond. Medyo sweet siya. Parang refreshing.
Honey.
Honey. Parang may honey. Honey granola.
Hello.
I like it.
Hello speaking. So far good, I like it.
Oh, that's Tita Army.
Yeah. I like the bread.
Because why do you like the bread?
Explanation ka di ba lagi?
Sugar crusted po. Madalit po siyang isabay po. So, thank you.
Okay.
Yung white po, cream cheese po.
Cream cheese.
Okay.
Oh, thank you. Dead salmon with
I like it.
cream cheese. Cream cheese ball. Oh.
A little of the
Honey crusted or sugar crusted? Very sweet yung taas and then you have like coleslaw. Sarap. Wow, lahat good.
Yeah.
Kabaliktaran to ng Hong Kong vlog ah.
Yeah. I don't find it.
You like it?
That's okay. It's okay for me.
Just okay.
like it.
Parang it's fresh.
Sweet.
Oh, wow. Good.
Thank you.
Okay. Good. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you po. Oriental shrimp? Anong review mo sa tatlong ano pa lang?
Ice na maraming ice.
I like the salad. Yeah, sobrang refreshing ng salad. This is Orient shrimp. Oriental pala. Mali pa.
Wait! Siya muna.
Not spicy. Parang Para siyang ano, yung Chinese, parang may Chinese ano. Oriental ba yun?
Wait, your hand shadow.
Anong favorite mo sa mga nakain na naman?
Can you tap the
All?
shot, please?
Is it all? Hindi masama yung pakaramdam niya. FY. Super juicy nung shrimp. Since we're on the side, lumalapit kami for... Oh! This one is sisig. Wow! Ang laki na naman ng plate.
May rice ba kayo? Do we have to...
Yeah, sisig pasta.
Oh.
Yeah, crispy yung sisig niya. Hindi siya yung sisig na parang kay Aling Lusing na.
Very masa-masa.
Yeah.
Parang ano, bopis ng baka.
So is it good?
Kanina yung baka lang talaga. Ay, iba to.
Hindi, yan na yung siya. Sa kaninang beef siya. Hindi siya sa table. Doon siya sa main table. So yung sa amin naka-chop up na. Pero it's the same. Stick daw para tusukin yung meat and the...
No, the corn.
The corn lang ba?
Yeah, the corn.
Do you want corn?
Ayun na.
Sure.
Kasi mo ni
Beef. Ito yung parang white corn.
kabayo.
Parang hindi siya sweet corn. Parang yung white corn ng... Anong kulang?
Rice. Because rice is life.
Kulang din. Masarap na, pero mas masarap kapag may kanan.
Yeah, kasi ang dami pang sauce na may sarsa.
Ayan, si ate tanong natin.
Pugon liempo wrap. Basically, it's pork belly, roasted pork belly. Ito, we brined it for 2 days. Masarap lang siya. Water and salt. Kaya namin ginagawa yan parang juicy. Kasi we've been roasting this for 7 hours. So, para hindi siya matuyo, meron siyang water sa loob. Familiar kayo sa buro, di ba? Buro is fermented rice. It's either by fish or shrimp. This is pork. And then yung balat.
Wrap na siya ibibigay mala.
Ay, hindi. Pag-joiner.
Pag-joiner kasi
Pag-joiner.
Kasi rin
Pag hindi kayo beef.
Parang
Put it in the middle.
Parang dapat hindi.
This is...
Paano ba kakainin sila?
Ito siya eh.
You will bite
Meat dish.
Oo.
together with the ampalaya.
Para siyang
Ay,
sample.
babait mo muna siya tapos.
Hindi, nirap na niya to. So, ito extra.
So, isipin mo na lang.
Nasa loob na
yan.
yun.
Oo, may...
Nandito na yung ano.
Oo, ata. Yeah, nirap na niya lahat dito. Na ampalaya, buro, okra ata. May okra ba? O nag-iimbento?
No, walang okra. Tomato.
Tomatoes.
Good. Tapos ipabalot niya sa ano. Seaweed. Parang ang sarap.
Patty.
Pakagat.
Super crunchy.
Crunchy. Oh, the ampalaya, this one. I like it. Okay. Ampalaya with the buro, then you have to bite.
Ano lasa ng buro?
Wala naman.
Wala.
Wala.
Kasi ang normal buro is maasim eh.
Ampalaya
Okay.
doesn't have a taste.
Sarap. Super fatty. Oily. Pero yung buro, parang naamoy ko lang siya, pero wala siyang taste. Ano?
Fermented fish. Di ba? Fish.
Rice.
Rice ba to?
Fermented rice.
Ah,
First time ko mag-aampalaya.
And first time niya magburo.
Yeah.
yeah.
Kasi the normal buro is maasim, di ba?
Yeah.
We like this.
Indian veggie sato.
Yeah.
And very crunchy.
Ang parang
7 hours namin yung roast.
Are you open every day?
Lunch and dinner.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ate sir.
Ayan. Thank you.
It's like kumain ako ganun. Tapos nagsasalita siya sa mabait. Pero mabait yung ampalaya. May sipon ka kasi.
Grabe yung
Hindi. Pag wala, walang taste mo.
Dessert is... Parang ako. Ako yan ang kuha. Ina yun. Di ba ako magpapalpitate? Puro na ano.
Oo, ay mukhang kay Jenny na yan. Hindi man coffee. Sana may coffee. Like extra.
Hindi ako makatulog.
Hindi, konti lang to.
Okay, so we just ended. So magpo-photo lang kami here. Dito sa gitna. Tapos yung payment is cash or GCash. So wala silang credit card and it's 2.5 per person. Iwan din kami ng mark namin here.
Hindi na ako Carmi G. Renee.
Oh, Renee. Ayan. We're done sa Denlim. So, around 2:30 na. So, it was around 11, 12, 30, 1:30. 3 hours din pala tayo dun. Wow, 3 hours din. But, I mean, medyo mainit. So, it is, ano ba ngayon? June. So, mainit siya. Madami namang electric fan. So, now we're off to White Farms. It is 20 minutes away from Denlim. We are now here at White Farms Villas. Okay lang po. Ay, thank you so much po. Salamat. Thank you. So we're here, ha? Dalawa yung bathroom. Ah, talaga? Ayan, ang ganda ng room. Sobrang spacious. Laki! Parang naglalakad siya. Ang laki ng room. Super cute. Ay, thank you. Where are you going? Ah, yeah, sige. Dalawa yung bathroom. So you have one there, which is the shower, and then this one is yung toilet area. Sige. Dalhin ko kayo doon. Yan siya. So this one is your toilet area. Very spacious, very clean. Ayan. Hi! Ceiling siya. Parang may living room din talaga siya. With a bed. Super spacious. High ceiling din kasi siya. So, ayan. This one is the second bathroom. Well, ito yung shower area. Ayan, white din siya. Then you have your shower here. Ayan. And then you also have your towels. So yan yung buong room. Actually, parang super laki niya for 2 packs. I mean, the room itself. But of course, the bed, sakto lang. This is the outdoor area also. Ganda. Cute. Sobrang bait nung caretaker nila. Natutuwa ako sa kanya. I think siya si Kuya Fermin.
Gusto niya nga daw iuwi.
Very lively siya. Tapos, pumunta siya dito for breakfast. So, tinanong na niya na yung breakfast. You have options. So, it's daing, it's tocino, and then it's American. So, pili ka lang, tapos anong oras is-serve yung breakfast. So, similar siya dun sa The Cabin na pinuntahan namin sa Bulacan na hihingi na nila. Or area. Pretty, no? So pretty. This outdoor. Yan. So, it's actually, ano siya? The pool extends over, dali, baka madapa tayo dyan. It extends over to all of the other villas. Ayan. So, wide naman siya. And then, this is our villa over here. Ganda. It's actually really nice. Ayan. So, ay, mali. And that's the whole room of White Farm Villas. The outdoor area. So, in front, this is our room. Ayan. So, there's a total of like 4 rooms on this side. It's actually very peaceful. It's quiet. So, right now, parang may nakita lang akong a few guests also swimming. Pero, like, very, very peaceful and quiet tong area that we are in. So, magpapahinga muna kami. It's 3:15. So, we'll just rest a bit. And then, later, we'll see kung lalabas kami or we will just be staying here at White Farm Villas. So, we just stayed in the whole afternoon. But,
wala silang indoor dining. So, we have to go out to get some dinner. Tapos, ito yung mga options na binigay nila sa amin that is closest to White Farm Villa. So, we're going to Fabrica Dining, which is 8 minutes away from here. So, we'll just go and then let's have dinner there.
Oh, it's so nice. Look the water. Blocked our room. And then now we're gonna go to the parking para siyang ano, parang medyo pa-Europe yung vibe ng ganitong kanto. Parang Italy. Ayun, Tuscany. Wow, kala mo naman nakapunta na ako. Yan. So we are now here at Fabrica Dining. Ayan, ang laki pala niya. So there's also Fabrica Villas eh. Ay, ito pala yung Villas. Dining Villas. Ayan. It's nice. Nag-order na kami, but nagkamali sila na-order. Pero okay lang. Like, hindi na namin sasabihin. This one is seafood marinara. Oh, thank you po! Ayan, thank you! Oh my gosh, I got a strawberry mango shake. Ayan. Looks so fun. Tapos, we have, ano siya? Ano to? Smoothie na ano? Shake? Icy shake?
Iced tea.
Iced tea, oh. And then 4 cheese pizza. Di ba kami super gutom from...
Ito lang accent. Hungry. Di pa kami super hungry.
Do I do that? Talaga ba? Napaka pinabash. But anyway, kakain na kami. Pero ito try ko muna yung shake. Looks yummy. Ooh. Ang sarap din. Try mo. Ayaw nga yung lahat. Okay. Umuulan din. So, medyo madaming mosquito. Stop na. It's good. Do you like it? Pero after, kailangan namin bumili ng water. Kasi, walang water dun sa White Farms. Like, I think you can request, pero bibili na lang kami sa 7-Eleven bago umuwi. Kandila. Describe mo yung kinain natin. Yung ano naman, explanation na maano ng mga tao kung kakain sila dito or hindi. Sabi nila, ang sungit naman po niya. Hindi po siya nagre-respond.
Pala mo ba?
Pero totoo. Transition mo ba yun? Cute. Naka-basket siya when they deliver it to you. Ayan, tapos it's in pack lalagyanan because diba wala silang indoor dining here. So they deliver it. Ni-request na yung order namin the day before. As in, pag check-in namin, ni-request na niya yung orders namin. So I prepared breakfast na for me and Jeds kasi nag-work siya since kanina. So it's around like 9 o'clock. Pang 8:30 nila dineliver yung food. This one is tocino. They have fruits, and then this one is their American breakfast. Ayan. So, ang ganda kasi ng view by the pool area. So, very pretty. Naka-basket pala siyang deliver. Look at them. Oh, well, look at that. They look better. Masarap siya. Actually, and sobrang nakabusog siya. As in, sobrang full meal. Mga fly na lumilipad. Kasi I think, well, you're in nature. Wow! So, okay lang siya. It's just that if you're very sensitive to like, mga fly, mga kung ano-anong insects na lumilipad, I don't know, baka mag-off ka or magdala ka ng katol if gusto mo. Pero okay naman siya. Like, it doesn't bother me that much. I just wanna let you know.
Sabi ko sa'yo malalim eh. Sinabi ko sa'yo. Sinabi ko na sa'yo.
So the pool, medyo malalim siya. As in, I need to tiptoe. So medyo nagulat ako. Kala namin it's kinda, hindi siya ganun kalalim. Pero semi, it's malalim. So I'm 5'6". So nakatiptoe ako. Ganon. So, nag-check out na kami sa White Farm Villas and I must say, I love their staff. Sobrang babait nila, sobrang jolly, sobrang hi, ganun sila. Super accommodating. So, White Farm actually, dalawa pala siyang parang room or villas that's available. So, kaya siya very peaceful, very quiet. You're able to relax kasi hindi siya crowded, wala masyadong tao. And that's why it's such a nice, bye-bye po! Ayun siya, cute. Thank you. Super cute. Ayan, yung branch na nagawa namin dun sa tapat ng market. Ayan siya. So, I got the Milky Donut na box of 20. So, that's 160. And then, cheese bread na box of 30. So, that's 300. Ito yung cheese bread. Ayan siya. Lunch at Sensi and La Chinesca. The menu. Yung naka-bowl. Salmon. So for some reason, like spicy salmon, sushi, hindi ako natitrigger at all. Hindi ko talaga alam bakit. But this one is one of my favorites. The one in Sensi. Sobrang okay ako sa kanya. So yes, pwedeng sushi. Tempura. So madami yung serving. Actually, for sharing na siya. So this is the one we got from Sensi. And then nag-order din kami from La Chinesca. From La Chinesca, so you can cross-order a birria and a beef taco. The one for tempura. This one is raw onion. This one is the birria.